Many people these days suffer from poor sleep, and a term that is used is sleep disordered breathing, acknowledging the fact that breathing and poor sleep has a close relationship. I would actually like to twist it around and call it breathing disordered sleep, that it's the poor breathing that often causes the poor sleep. So when we sleep, for example, with our mouth open, we tend to get a body in a state of more fight-flight, which makes it harder to relax and get the deep sleep that we need. So a lot of people that have taped their mouth at night report that they sleep far better. They don't wake up in the middle of the night needing to go to the toilet. They don't wake up with the mouth dry as a desert. They don't wake up drained with energy. Instead, they wake up energetic. They don't wake up with a lot of pain. Because if you think about it, in a state of fight-flight, we tense up our muscles to fight or run away from the danger. So if you do that during many of the hours when you sleep, no wonder why you feel pain in your muscles when you wake up. So if you are able to relax, which you are when you breathe through your nose, you are far better off at relaxing with nose breathing than mouth breathing. Then you can relax in your muscles and you don't waste energy on having your muscles in a fight-flight state. So when you breathe through your nose, your muscles don't tense up. So then you may wake up in the morning with less pain if you have those problems. If you like this video and want more people to find out about it, please hit the like button below. Your daily breathing habits lay the foundation for your health, energy and harmony. It is a real superpower, and to unleash it and thereby reach your full potential, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just press the conscious breathing symbol to the right of me. Also remember to press the bell button below the video to receive alerts every time I go live or post new videos. You may also want to click on the link in the description below the video to receive 2 free chapters of my book, Conscious Breathing. Thank you so much for watching. Breathe better and feel better.